It's just a touchscreen for the P1S to replace the dot matrix.
Oh.
Which is
well,
probably
I think that thing is very expensive in Mexico. I think.
Probably isn't.
Because, you know, everything's expensive here in Mexico. Everything that comes from the US, like those tech stuff, is very expensive here.
Oh, I'm stuck. You back for auto.
Turret.
Oh,
turret. 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 Oh, tipping.
Why do you think I call everything a row and foul?
Oh, sorry. Beamy, sorry. Sorry. I'm not pushing you. I'm not pushing you. I'm not pushing you.
Why is the fake G407? Like, why is the fake G407?
Yeah, I don't like how kick that stronger.
They should add a bot with Mark 5 and swords.
I got it in. I got it in.
RJ, push me, push me, push me.
Right. Oh my god.
No, from the trench side, trench, under trench. No!
And I was just getting set up. Trust.
Yo, rap!
Go back, go back, go back. That's tipping.
I couldn't even shoot because my camera's all freaked out from trying to help you guys. I'm gonna make it from here.
I'm gonna make it from here.
I'm stuck.
Why's my cat yelling? Okay, thanks for beaching.
Thanks, now we're both stuck.
Go on.
Okay, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free.
Oh my shit. Rohan, you're playing defense on your own teammate. Move.
I'm gonna go punch.
Me too.
There you
Oh, Rohan, what are we doing?
go. Nice.
Can I have a side auto so I